Hi, I'm Fairy Melissa.
I'm Fairy Emily.
I'm Marie.
I'm Amelia.
Happy Woolly Wednesday! This week we're all about felting Easter eggs.
If you're looking for some needle felting or wet felting project inspirations,
You're in the right place for EASTER SPRING Inspo.
Plus, the fairies have some goodies to show you and some tips for dividing wool.
You can use those tips for a class or a party, and we have lots more on today's show, so stick around. Hey, happy Wednesday, y'all, and happy spring-ish. It's almost officially spring. We are all about Easter eggs today, and so happy to see you. If you've just stumbled on our feed, we are Living Felt at Felting Supplies and FeltingTutorials.com. But if you've been around a while, you know what to do. Participate over in the chat or comment down below, because we just love this time each week that we get to hang out with you.
Speaking of participating, we always pick a winner from our comments, either our live chat or our comments down below. Our first winner of the day is going to be Patty Larson, J3G.
Yay!
She commented she started felting last fall and has had an interesting adventure. She's interested in making a fall leaf wreath. Watched your video, purchased your kit, and today I'm going to attempt a wet felt with scraps. So I'd love to know more about wreath making. Love you guys.
Aww.
So that's so fun. We have a video, Joyce's video, about wreath making. She does a fall crown that can also be transferred into making a fun little wreath.
Great idea. That would be a good one to watch for sure. So we'll include a link for that. And keeping everything super sweet and fun, here's a little message from our friend Fairy Kayla.
Well, hey there, felting friends. Fairy Kayla here, bringing you your weekly dose of funniness. So, why do people paint eggs for Easter?
Why do people paint Easter eggs?
It's easier than trying to wrap them. I'll see you next week.
Thank you, Fairy Kayla.
in the spirit of Easter, for our So Inspired this week, I think you guys are really going to like it.
Oh man, get ready to click that heart button, y'all, because here it comes.
Oh, wow. I love all those colorful eggs.
Oh my gosh, the dog bunny, how cute.
I would take that dog.
I would too.
He looks so sweet. He's like, please give me some candy. I love the way she displayed the eggs too. It reminds me of our needle felting. I'm kidding. I love the way she displayed it.
Oh, wow. Look at those fairies on the eggs.
Oh, the little creatures on there are so cute.
I know. What
And a
a
little chicken.
fun take on our needle felt today.
And Kathy's egg as well. What a beautiful flower.
Oh my goodness.
I always love seeing little bunny eggs. Those are so cute. They're just so squatty. It's so fun.
Exactly. And what a beautiful basket, huh?
Right?
Definitely.
That chocolate bunny centerpiece. Wow.
The detail on the little chick is so cute.
Yeah,
And the
that's-
shading is great.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And how much effort did that hollow egg take?
I know,
Right?
right? That probably just hides right in there.
Yeah. What a perfect fit.
All the little peeps.
Wow.
You know what felt an Easter basket
Yeah.
to do?
True. Wow, I just love seeing all the different takes people are having on
Yeah.
those Easter eggs.
Oh,
All
look
these
at those
different
polka dots up there.
patterns.
Yeah.
Oh.
I sure would be happy if I got a lamb in my Easter egg.
Right?
Me too. And the little bunny holding the egg in the middle at the bottom.
Oh, I didn't see him.
I love this mixture of both wet felted and needle felted
Right.
Easter eggs and elements.
Mhm.
Yes.
Oh.
Wow, he's got a whole scene and everything. That's amazing. The little lamb.
And the chick in the background.
And the mini eggs. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
Wow. I love the peeps.
Yeah, the little bunnies.
The bunny silhouettes.
Darling cute.
Oh, yeah.
There must be like a cookie cutter peep or something. Everyone's going so perfect.
Yeah.
It almost looks like the bottom one is wrapped like a soap blend almost around that
It
egg.
kind of
Oh,
does, yeah.
It's a really cool technique. I like it.
These are all so fabulous, y'all. We love seeing them.
Man, wasn't it so fun seeing everybody's stuff? Okay, so tell me something that like jumped out at you, stole your heart maybe. I know there were lots of little heart throbs in that whole little presentation.
I just love the Easter egg Easter bunny.
Yeah.
The big squatty guys. They're so cute.
I love the peeps and the candy.
Yeah.
I love Noelle's little like lamb inside the egg. So adorable.
I'm kind of crushing on the dog with the Easter eggs.
So cute.
Bunny
I
ears.
love
Those are
that.
so cute. Okay, so I have a question. Yeah, I know you're not prepared. But like, what's a favorite memory or treasure like from an Easter? So Easter basket, if your family celebrates Easter, and if your family doesn't celebrate Easter, maybe it's something from spring, but like maybe something you got in your basket or something you gifted or maybe a activity that you did around Easter. What's something that jumps out? I put them on the spot. They have no idea.
Honestly, now that I've gotten older and I'm the older cousin, I really like hiding the eggs. I think that's so fun.
cute.
But you have to keep count. You can't make sure any are missing. It's, you know, these golden eggs. It's very serious. So it's fun to be in charge of it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I mean, I'd probably say the same. I really, as a kid, I loved hunting for the Easter eggs.
Yeah.
And then hiding them was always a fun time.
Oh.
I'd always just say dyeing the Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Like every time I smell
Yeah.
vinegar, I'm like, Easter eggs.
Yeah, I would
true.
dye Easter eggs today, although I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a fun Easter story. So when we first moved to Colorado, we were all pretty young, and we became fast friends with the family next door. They all had kids the same age. It was perfect. And this family, they had a tradition of making any holiday a big event. So Easter was no exception. And this particular year, we get over to their house, and there's eggs everywhere. The mom had just put together this huge Easter egg hunt. All of us kids are so excited, so we want to start hunting eggs, right? And she's like, nope, you have to go through your basket first. And in the basket, we had a little note that said, keep your eye out for the golden surprise. So we're all like, what's the golden surprise? It's got to be awesome, right? And we get to hunting eggs, and after a couple hours, we take a break in the backyard, and in the one tree in the backyard, you could see it, the light shining off of it. It was this huge golden egg. And my friend is determined to get that egg. So she goes for it. She books it out there. She scales up this big tree, and she gets the golden egg. She runs back to the house, and she's so excited. So we all gather around to see what's in the golden egg. And she cracks it open, and guess what was inside? 1 penny. And it was just such a fun day, such a funny story, and it always makes me smile around this time of year. So we're really interested to see what y'all say, what y'all think, and what's your favorite stories around Easter time or favorite traditions.
Let us know down below the video, and you never know what inspiration that's going to pop off for someone else. I used to work for a guy who told me that he would put like hundreds of dollars in the Easter eggs for his grandkids across their property. Yeah, it was like an all-out thing for the kids.
Wow.
You gotta level up.
They started doing money once I'm not hunting, so I don't get the money, but they do not. I got candy.
We didn't have money. No.
Me
We had
either.
candy.
Yeah.
Candy time. We look forward to hearing from y'all. And speaking of treats, the fairies have some fun things to share with you. You can see what's on special or just what they want to share with you this week in our fairy special deal.
If you're looking for a beginner wet felting project, or you've tried wet felting with neps and found it challenging, check out our free video on our YouTube, our Wet Felting Your Chameleon. It was a gift to us by Laura Ricks for our birthday last year. Laura has come up with a great technique for wet felting with neps, so you'll learn how to make this cute little guy and add in basic needle felting details. And you can treat this as a kind of beginner project or learning project, so you can jump off and wet felt with neps in confidence. We have a kit that comes with this that you can purchase that comes with all of the items you'll need, except for basic wet felting tools.
If you're looking for a nice palette of skin tone colors or earth tones, check out our MC1 skin tone pack. This pack comes with 9 colors ranging from light to dark, plus a rosy color to add some warmth to your cheeks or your lips. This pack comes in 2 different sizes, our dab size or our half size. And of course, you can buy each color individually by the ounce. We love MC1 because all the wool is from US farms, and the fiber is a short, nice fiber that will always felt to a smooth finish. whether you're needle felting or wet felting.
Man, I love when you guys show little product insights and all the details about them. So rich and fun. Yeah.
To see
good.
any of the things we shared, follow the link below to today's episode page.
Good idea.
And we have another winner
Woo-hoo!
who also saw something we shared and commented on. And the winner is Renee MM.
Yay, Renee!
And she says, beautiful blue designer pack today. Y'all make it so easy to learn to felt. I discovered lots of wonderful beginner info on the Living Felt website when I clicked on the Needle Felting for Beginners guide under the Needle Felt tab. She says, thanks, fairies.
Oh, right, that's right. You know,
Yeah.
Keela put that together for us. So there's a beginner needle felter's guide, and we'll show you how to get there. And that's just a great little information piece. Maybe fibers you might work with, or it's so cute how she ended up from there, from needle felting
wet
to a
felting,
wet
yeah.
felting. Yeah, love that, love that.
We love seeing everyone's work, so let's share some more inspiring pieces. So here we have our love bomb from Heike Conroy. She says, happy Easter, everyone. This is my needle felted bunny and Easter eggs with mostly Living Felt wool.
Oh,
Wow.
happy Easter! He looks so excited and proud to show off his egg.
I know. He looks like he's full from eating a lot of Easter candy.
I love all these colors. Like the colors are so happy. And somewhat abstract.
Yeah.
Right? Abstract Easter eggs, but they're so pretty.
Yeah.
It's almost like a marbled effect.
Yeah, it's like what happens when you
marbled.
dye your eggs, you know, they kind
Right,
of resemble that.
I love the way she did the wiry whiskers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the whiskers are adorable.
What are those made of? Those whiskers. What do
It
you
looks
think
almost
they're
looks
made
like wire.
It kind of does.
Like
Where
that.
they're
Very
curves.
clever, Heike. If
Yeah.
you didn't use wire, tell us what those whiskers are because they're super stinky cute.
Love it. Hey, his little teeth.
I know, in his rosy cheeks, he's so like flushed and happy.
Those are happy eyes.
Yes.
Exactly how you make happy eyes.
Yes.
We love him, Heike.
And this is our MC1 in action from Melissa. And she said, she just completed my 3 little Easter eggs, and I absolutely love the way Living Felt's MC1 bats felt so easily and smoothly. I absolutely love the details. The little small little bunnies.
These are really precious.
Adorable.
Like,
And I love the way it's like 3-dimensional coming off the egg as
exactly.
well.
Exactly.
yeah, exactly.
Wow, how fun. That duck in the middle, or chick in the middle, I should say. He's so
hatching.
detailed. Yeah, he's hatching right out.
These would look so beautiful displayed in like little egg cups, you know?
yeah.
Like they're so precious.
That egg on the left is a great egg color.
Oh, yeah.
You're right. These are all so beautiful, Melissa. Thank you for sharing them with us.
We are still accepting inspiration photos for art bats. If we select your photo, we'll turn it into an art bat and you and another person will win one. So make sure you send us your photos via the Contact Us page. We have lots of fun goodies coming up for you this spring. We're working on tutorials, we have special guests, so many fun things. So we won't be having a show for the next 2 weeks. But when we come back on April 9th, we'll be having our live birthday hang. There's going to be so many prizes. It's going to be lots of fun. So to enter, make sure you watch one of our videos we've posted this year and leave a comment by April 1st. You don't have to be present to win, but you will want to watch that birthday party video because that's where we'll announce the winners. We'll miss you while we're gone, but we cannot wait to celebrate with you when we return.
We received a great question this week from Vicki. Vicki is teaching a class on needle felting Easter eggs and wants to know how much core wool she needs. She's planning for 10 students and enough for each student to make 4 Easter eggs. We of course always suggest that you get your size by first making a sample or several and getting an average weight. For that, we use an inexpensive kitchen scale. We're going to suggest that you allow 1/4 to 1/3 of an ounce per student, but please keep in mind that some people are going to be heavy-handed and some people are going to just make different sizes. Now, if you don't have a scale to get that weight, then the fairies have come along to show you how you can divide your wool. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just want to get it close, and of course we suggest that you have enough wool on hand so that there is extra, plus you'll want some for the teacher as well. Before we divide the wool, we're going to just share a little link here for the video we're showing you, which is needle felting and Easter eggs, in which we made a fun little display basket. In this video, we show you how to get a really cool chevron pattern with an easy peasy trick.
So let's get on to dividing our fiber. We're going to use our CW1 core wool roving in the 4-ounce bag, divided equally in half. Now you have 2 2-ounce lengths, divided again, and you have 4 1-ounce lengths. To get a third, just fold it like this and then break it here at the bend. It doesn't have to be perfect. But we're going to suggest that you give each person a 1/4 ounce by continuing to divide in half again until each 1 ounce is broken into 4 increments. Roll these into little tiny balls or buns, whatever you want to call them, and fill a basket or divide them by student. It's the easiest way to prepare for a class or a party and have everyone take just the right amount of wool to start.
Thank y'all so much for hanging out with us this week, and we have something coming up pretty soon.
Birthday time.
Our live birthday party is when?
April 9th.
Mark your calendars, and we're going to have a virtual potluck. What does that mean?
Bring a snack or a food.
Bring a snack. Food. Check in whether you watch the live show or comment down below. Bring a snack. So when you come into the room, tell us what snack you brought, and that way we can all pretend that we're eating from the shared buffet. We look forward to celebrating the birthday with you. Why? Because it's not just our birthday, it's our community birthday. There's going to be tons of prizes to give away, lots of interaction, and tell them how they can enter to win prizes on the show.
Comment on today's video or any video we've posted this year.
Any video we've posted this year. We're going to draw names, so you have to get it in by April 1st. And we're going to draw names, put it in the prize barrel, so you can win whether you're live or not, and you don't have to buy anything either. All you have to do is leave a comment. So until then, y'all, be well, take care, think springy thoughts. What else? Plant some flowers, get outside, and we're going to see you on April 9th. Bye, y'all.
Bye.